Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Laredo Division at Keystone RV. Today, we're in the all-new Laredo 250BH travel trailer. I'm going to give you a tour of the inside, so let's get started. As you come in the door, you can see that we have the perfect double over double stacked bunks, perfect for any size kid. Down below, we have this awesome storage area. As you're traveling to your destination, perfect for those long items. As you get to your destination, pet friendly, perfect for a small dog crate, cat litter box, dog bed, and it's conveniently tucked out of the way so you don't kick that water dish as you're on your way to the refrigerator. As you move further here, you can see we have a giant bathroom in this unit, complete with a radius shower, a porcelain foot flush toilet, beautiful countertop, and medicine cabinet, so it's very family friendly. As you step over here, you can see in our slide out, we feature the dinette booth. Whether you want a dinette booth or a theater seat, the option is yours. Most of our customers prefer the dinette booth since we are in a bunkhouse. This provides extended or expandable sleeping space, as well as each of the seats have this beautiful storage drawer below. As we segue over here into the kitchen, you'll see that we have these beautiful overhead cabinets. We have the storage below and above the countertop, so you have storage packed wherever we can fit it. Again, this unit is only 29 feet, but it is loaded and packed with storage. Here you will see the feature of the pantry. So you have all of this pantry space conveniently located below the TV, and it's nice and deep and perfect for any of those items that you need to tuck away for the family. So this is the kitchen and pantry area. As we move forward, this is mom and dad's bedroom. You have a nice pocket door or a slider door here, a queen bed forward, storage on both sides, and as in every Laredo travel trailer, we tuck extra storage underneath every bed. Thanks for taking a minute to learn more about the all-new 250BH Laredo travel trailer. For more information, log on to our website or see your local dealer.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.